In this session, let us understand Fetch API for performing AJAX operations in a PWA or any web application. AJAX can be implemented using XHR or XML HTTP request or other libraries like jQuery. Implementing AJAX using XHR creates what is called as a callback hell. Here, you would like to have certain actions to occur in sequence. The callback way in JavaScript is to create a sequence of nested function calls, one calling another. However, the result of the last nested function must be found for the next function in the chain to be executed. This happens till the stack top is reached. Using nested callbacks can create stacks with errors that are difficult to debug. The Fetch API is an alternative to performing AJAX without using XHR. So Fetch API, you can perform easy AJAX using vanilla JavaScript. Fetch API has the fetch method to which you pass the URL as the parameter. And common AJAX functions are automatically done without you needing to explicitly write the code. For example, just passing the URL as the parameter to the fetch method, it opens the connection and sends the request automatically. So passing the URL as the parameter to the fetch method is the get operation, which is the default. You can also do post operation by passing an optional second argument to the fetch method. The result is a standardized response object. Also, Fetch makes use of promises for function chaining so that the sequence of functions are executed in order. A promise is a JavaScript object that represents the eventual completion or failure of an asynchronous operation and its resulting value. This is how a typical fetch request looks like in JavaScript. You supply the URL as a parameter to fetch, and using the syntax of promises, you make multiple function calls in sequence using the then keyword, and optionally you can catch the errors using the catch keyword. Alternatively, you can write the same syntax in this fashion also, which results in a much more smaller code. To know whether your browser supports the Fetch API or not, you can make use of caniuse.com and in the search box type fetch to see the results. As you can see, most of the modern browsers support the Fetch API. The ones in green color shows full support of the Fetch API. So, PWA, or in fact any kind of web application, may often need to use Ajax functionality for better quality and user experience with the application. So Fetch API is an alternative, streamlined vanilla JavaScript solution to using XHR for requesting data from remote servers.